Recent transactions, including the 21 Capital's $3.6 billion SPAC merger, Ripple's $1.25 billion merger of Hidden Road, and Kraken's $1.5 billion purchase of NinjaTrader, reflect a strategic push by both crypto-native and traditional financial players to consolidate capabilities and expand their market presence. According to Architect Partners, the crypto merger and acquisition transaction values have reached $8.2 billion year to date, nearly tripling from the 2024 levels. With regulatory momentum building and institutional interest rising, the sector is positioned for further consolidation. However, the business models that are gaining traction, such as the Bitcoin-heavy treasury strategies, remain inherently volatile. While optimism has returned, companies and investors will need to balance growth ambitions with risk management as the market evolves. With that said, let's also look at some of the recent developments that have happened. First and foremost, the 21 Capital strategic positioning. Now, 21 Capital is poised to become the third largest corporate holder of Bitcoin globally, launching with over 42,000 BTC. This positions the firm just behind MicroStrategy and Tesla in terms of Bitcoin holdings. Secondly, let's look at the SoftBank's investment approach. SoftBank has acquired a 24% stake in 21 Capital by purchasing shares from Tether amounting to approximately $891 million. This investment underscores SoftBank's continued interest in high-risk, high-reward ventures within the crypto space. Thirdly, the innovative metrics that have been introduced by 21 Capital. The firm has introduced new performance metrics, Bitcoin per share and Bitcoin return rate. These metrics aim to provide investors with a clearer understanding of the company's Bitcoin holdings relative to its share structure. Then let's move on to Kraken's acquisition of NinjaTrader. Kraken's $1.5 billion acquisition of NinjaTrader is notable not only for its size, but also for the integration of artificial intelligence in the due diligence process. The use of AI tools expedited the evaluation and allowing for a more efficient and thorough analysis of the acquisition target. With this, let's move on to Ripple's acquisition of Hidden Road. Ripple's $1.25 billion acquisition of the prime broker Hidden Road marks a significant expansion into the traditional services sector. This move enables Ripple to offer a broader range of services, including clearing and financing to the institutional clients. And lastly, let's look at the regulatory environment under the Trump administration. The current US administration has taken steps to foster a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment. Initiatives include the establishment of a national Bitcoin reserve and efforts to create a comprehensive regulatory framework for the digital assets. This is what we wanted to share with you with respect to the recent developments in the cryptocurrency sector. As mentioned before in a couple of our other videos, this is more of an evolving space, so do stay tuned in for more insights for the same.